session we're going to look at what you can do with the Superkey. It does give you a separate menu apart from the applications key. There's two things that are very useful on it. One is to change the settings of the ringer. You can change the pitch, that is the sound, and the volume of the ringer. You can also set advisory messages. So if you have advisory messages available on your site, you can set them up. These advisory messages are just little pre-programmed messages that say things like "at lunch," "in a meeting," "on holiday," and people internally who ring you will be able to see those messages when they've been sent. So what we'll do first of all is look at changing the ringing settings of the phone. So I'm going to go to use the Superkey, which takes me into this menu. The menu is at the top here, so it says at the moment, do I want to look at the phone book? I don't, so I'm going to press the no key. There I've got call forwarding, different things coming up on this menu, but I'm just going to look for ringer adjust. All these options are coming up. There. I now have ringer adjust on my screen, so I can press ring adjust, and then it gives me an option of the ringer pitch. I will demonstrate. So if I press that key, by using the up and down arrow keys, you can change the sound. So I can make it deeper, or I can make it higher. So choose the volume, the pitch that you'd like, and then you can save it. If you want to go and change the volume, then you can press the next key and press ringer volume, and it gives you the volume to change. Exactly the same keys to change it. And when you're finished, if you press the Superkey again, then it takes you back to your main menu. That's all you have to do to change the ringer settings. To actually change the advisory messages, it's a very similar process. I'm going to go into Superkey, say no until I get to advisory messages, which is here. So if I press the advisory key, up comes the first one of up to 20 different messages. So you choose the one that you want by pressing next. So you go next, next, that's on holiday, in a meeting, back in the morning, back in the afternoon, back Monday. Oh, I want to be back Monday. So if I switch it on, there's a turn message on here, press that key there, and my phone is now displaying back Monday. And as I said, that will display on internal colleagues ringing you. They will see that on their telephone, and your switchboard will as well. So that's what they do. To take it off when you come back, exactly the same process one more time. Press the Superkey, go through until you find advisory messages on the screen. Press the advisory key, then you have a key that says turn message off. Press that key there, and you're back to normal.